Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Ohene David ena okase na anesem okan na ne se one NDC fu bebre edi nkomo na NDC fu ne omo di nkomo no omo realize say his excellency Omanpene Dada John Dramani Mahama ba obeye omo yehuta nti omo kro omo aseso omo adwen a omo ekere say 2024 party His Excellency Omanpene Dada John Dramani Mahama nya de omeboa no wa bende anasa ochina because ba no oba no mo atena se wo ma yehwe yenti nsem Ohene David
na baby ka say na governor say hey fio onya gbenifu wo betumi aye na ekofo ye ni bi wonni no sin ene wo mote Ghana na me hwe se mugusu amotiatia mu say han NDC is better no na me ka say wo kofa wonni na ni gbenifu no ka wo de ne ba betena so na nka watimi abu oman no Mujimi bebrebe nyina enanya Kelvin na mo se oye mpanyin so na eche wono ma se say ni preach nyina da na agrada me ba cha me boyfriend ni agrada na me ni agrada joke such a just listen to him such a joke but now a comic just to create some comic scenes and you'll be there, you'll be laughing, jumping and laughing. That's it. I'm telling you today, if you really want Ghana to be fixed, we all have to choose wisely. You cannot just go and choose such a moron using our taxpayers' money, flirting around, sleeping with horse. Cause for Mosolia 2 na John Dramani Mahama ofriweso no weso a president, someone we call a president, the first gentleman of the land, sleeping around whilst you have a wife. Unyai benifu. Hey, and this information baby you all unyai benifu. Except one more and no madri ambefi omudi echino. And this for baby as I'm talking to you. I've spoken to some of them. They are really disappointed. The direction Kelvin is taking NDC name to, dragging NDC name in the mud. NDC has no glory again. NDC is done. It's finished. NDC is not coming back to power again. NDC is useless people's party. NDC is useless people's party. UPP. NDC is now useless people party. Majimenti. Obia on to men fix sanitation problems. We yadenia president. What's what the dustbin be see abontia ye baby? And the question was, so what does me see abonting? Onipa ba kwa febiko. Adiana I say, oh yeah, muja no makwatena say. That is why you are leaders. Leaders find solutions to problems.
And in fact, we've seen videos upon videos people less privileged people and under no circumstance between acquires every year any scholarship. Some may know because if you were London, if you were United States. Can't get it in another through the free SHS. Bako so fight it here. In fact, also on the Oba mau how do you call it? Pan. Now they are quite yet kaya you. Ubi be diga. Now they are no answer soon. Now they are cost to him. This is the future this man had for you. Now, Obemamo attire. At least ne baby or tone her body. Mon suggest man say how the unfan a ban back no man attire no. Mon suggest mama hama say attire and what the bema gun and mobran I say ya baby or no tone her banner dear unfan and ban back no attire no. How can you be that wicked? Nansenya Kemu don't Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, former president. Oh, be catcher say, oh, the Oba much. Ye be woo until Ubesi much their mind. Ghana for say we don't or see young quache chenkora, young fat electoral commission, young good hoofing, young coma cron for any cronon coso, so that our man will be near to make the certain government at them. I mean, which political party be a sebi or what the right state of mind anybody else are doing. In the sad things we talk again, people can say they are the same, they are never the same. MPP and NDC can never under any circumstance be the same. Please do not allow that comment in any of your sayings. Say MPP NDC Odukadaya. Oh boy, Bakwe bad, Bakwe very, Bakwe treacherous. Now we prefer the bad to the treacherous one. Okay, now young Koso. Samobekaya 2020, Abra John Dramani Mahama, former president of the Republic, His Excellency, Elusu elections. 2020, no. Some can say he lost the elections over so many reasons. And Ntia Eman lose election. Or Ntia says he will lose, but whatever the reason may have been, the final point is he lost the election, which he will lose again. That we are very sure and very optimistic about. Or can say the polling agents were illiterate. That's why he lost the election. Say asem bedawa fasem ne baba asem say also omu ye illiterate. How does he mean? What did he mean? What does he intend to communicate to the mass? Okay, now your far illiterate comment now here say the polling agents were illiterate. And who said okay, say if you realize say majority of the Ghanaian youth are illiterate. No, because any let us educate them by introducing free SHS. Now fighting against this free SHS now. That means you want them to remain illiterate. That's one point. Now, same person can say the polling agents were illiterate and didn't want free SHS for them. He's now saying they are now educated. So he will use them again. This time he's going to give them Okomomo attire. And the very people Mahama deemed useless and threw away, the MPP came and gave them hope, gave them education. Now Mahama is coming back saying, these people are now educated, I'll use them, but I'll give them attire. You see, this is why we always stand and fight against this man's second coming, which it is a future impossible tense. Mahama winning election is a future impossible tense. It can never happen even in his house. Yekoto abanu wa Mahama fi Lordina ebe ye electoral commissioner krana. To Mahama be lose election. He will lose the election. And in fact, he has lost it from home. Even in the NDC, he has lost it. He has lost it. And a clear indication. A clear indication said 2024. He has no message. He has lost the election. Because to date, Mahama has not given us any information. Now, we are babu now I was over about Ama former President John Dramani Mahama, NDC as a whole. And one amene workers. Let us reason. Say, member education. Many of us, many Ghanaian youth, over 500,000 students, youth every year call SS. Yet we had a privilege, we had a chance. I don't be near my school fees. But I remember very well in JSS, we were sitting in a class with brilliant people who were more brilliant than we are, who were more intelligent, smart than we were. But they couldn't enter into secondary school because of money. And the Nanado did free SHS by. Then I reflect back, say, so if this free SHS policy existed, that means this colleague, this brother, could have made it. And in fact, we've seen videos upon videos people less privileged, people and under no circumstance between acquire SS. Every year any scholarship, some may know because if you were London, if you were United States, can't get it in another through the free